to my channel before we get started. Click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Today we will be making classical pound cake. Okay guys, so we are beating the eggs and butter into the mixing bowl. So for our ingredients, we added 1/3 cup of plain all-purpose flour sieved, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cups of regular sugar, 2/4 cups of milk, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay guys, this is the classic pound cake batter, and it's about to be placed into the oven.